Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Thanks for stopping by my craft room. Today I am doing a collaboration with Sharon over from Cheap to Chic. She is hosting a Helping Others Grow giveaway / challenge over on her channel. I told her I'd like to be a part of it and I would also like to do a giveaway. For my giveaway, you have to be a visible subscriber over on Sharon's channel, and I will link her channel down below, and a visible subscriber of my channel. And then meet a new crafty friend either in the comments on Sharon's post or on mine. And if you aren't subscribed to them, pick someone and become a new subscriber. When you've done that, just leave me a comment down below that you are now subbed and which set of dewdrops you would like to win. I have my traditional Christmas set here, and I have my Ginger Pastel set here. I will pick the winner from the comments in this video at the beginning of January. I will be picking a second winner from comments that are left on my videos that I post during the month of February. This is open to new and old subscribers. You must be 18 years or older. I am sorry, the shipping is for US only, so if you have a US address, you could be entered to win. If you are international, please feel free to leave a comment, enter so that you could gain some new subscribers. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully this will help your channels grow, receive some new subscribers, and give and receive some subscriber love back. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.